Take a ride in the 2010 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.